This is the robot that I built to collect donations for the Riverside Robotics Society's Robot Expo. And when you put a coin in the slot...
Thank you for your donation. Please enjoy the expo. Yum, yum, yum. More money, more money.
That's what happens.
Okay, here it goes. And that's it. That's the donation robot at work. Only takes pennies and dimes. The light is red before. Put the penny in, light goes green, and Supergirl goes. Once you have the mechanism, and we have some other videos that showed the mechanism in work, we have to have a box to display it in. And I've been having trouble figuring out the right box. What you're seeing here is a project in transition and what happens when you do that. One person created the project and documented it. The next person is trying to use it. The light sensor isn't seeming to turn off, and we have to try to figure out why.
Let's talk about the differences between these two boards here. So every pin on the microbit has a little tiny tab here. Each tab corresponds to one of these pins. Or on this board, one of these pins, where you can't see the pins, they're hidden underneath. When you slide it in like this, it connects everything. This board is color-coded. Your servo motors are down here in the slots where only the servo motor plugs can fit. Your LEDs are over here in yellow. Your tricolor LEDs are over here in green.
And it's all labeled on the board.
Yes, and your sensors inputs, your three sensors are over here. Over here, you'll have to figure out which is which.
Okay, and that is a major thing. And if we're working in the education space, it totally makes sense to have this as a first learning environment.
If you have, go ahead.
And then as kids develop it, the donation robot, they could implement it like this and then reuse the parts for some other project. Or if you wanted to roll out a lot of donation robots, you know, supply chain for makers, then you could roll out a cheaper model with something like this. 15 seconds short, donation robot version 2. Hi, Thomas.
Hey.
Do it.
All right, this is the donation robot. We're going to put a quarter right in it. We're going to turn it on first.
Uh-oh. We're out of time. Donation robot V2. Thomas, go.
Okay, this is the donation robot, and we're going to put a coin in it, and we're going to see what happens. It's got a sad face, and we put the coin in.
Without the entertainer, donation robot V2, take 3. Go.
Okay, we put the quarter in, and it's happy. Look at that.
Look at that.
And the ball comes down.
Very slowly.
Very slowly.